Gonder aluminum foil roll film, heat sealing machine. Timely supply of film. Recycling of waste film. Smooth stroke and accurate film setting. Touch screen to adjust parameters. Stable delivery of finished products. One key control is easy to operate. Stable operation and low noise. Efficient hot pressing sealing. Tightly sealed to prevent dirt and leakage. Can adapt to multiple containers. Meet various sealing requirements. Sealing materials. Sealing shape. Factory panoramic view. Workshop. Exhibition hall 5,000 square meters. Packaging shipping.